Hey, welcome back. All right, so today we're going to be going into Home Goods. They have come out with a few new things for the holiday season, and I just wanted to take you around and show you a few that I like. All right, so first they have a tableware, but you got to check the prices because it says starting at $9.99, but then that was $7.99. I like the tree topper back there. I'm thinking about doing a tree topper this year, but I'm not sure. And then this is starting at $3.99 and under. This bowl I like. I've been seeing the pattern at a lot of Home Goods, and I like it. I wish it was a black hat. Not that they would really do that for Christmas, but those are my colors this year. And then these signs, they're really inexpensive, and they have them with different wording on them, but I like the little furry detail. I think that's super cute. And then, of course, their outdoor stuff. I don't have a space big enough, but if you did, these are super cute. This Santa, I think that sign is like a chalkboard where you can write whatever you want on it. And then, of course, they have the little toy soldiers and the nutcrackers, and they're about a couple of $100, I think. But they all are so cute. But, of course, you'll need a place to put them in the off season because they are very big. They have a lot of cute little trees. I think these are for outdoors also, but I do see a plug there, so I believe they light up. And then they have a large selection of trees. My only issue with the trees is it's about $200, and you can get an artificial tree from Home Goods, Lowe's, Hobby Lobby, Michael's. The pictures are not the same as what I'm seeing. You can see the tree looks real nice and full in the picture, and then there it doesn't. I don't know if they just didn't take time to fluff it or something like that, but they were pre-lit. What they do have a great selection of are the ornaments. These ornaments are $10 for the 4, and they are so cute. I didn't see those before. A few of these I have seen before, but they are just great prices, and they're kind of unique. It's not the average ones that you would get like in a ornament kit or anything like that. They have, you know, cute little details on them, and then they sell individual ones that are even more unique than these sets. So this is like real pretty, and it was only about $5. I bought a special ornament that was 50% off, and it was still more than that. So it's a good place to look if you're looking for ornaments. And then with special ornaments, you don't need a tree full of them. You just need like a couple, and you place them around. And then you can fill the rest of your tree in with the regular ornaments. So you don't need a lot of the special ornaments, just a few to give your tree a pop. And they have this year a great selection of wreaths and like different type garlands. Like this one, it's not my style, but like they have garland and stuff for all type of different styles, and to me they're reasonably priced, because if you were going to create something like this on your own, it would be expensive to get all the parts, the pine cones, the ribbons, the garland itself, all the things together would be a lot. And then of course more trees. They have smaller trees, they have bigger trees, all kind of different trees, pre-lit trees, potted trees. I felt like, see that big gap right there? That's what kills me, like just the big space. But I think some people like that scarce looking tree. I don't know if it's like is that more realistic looking? I don't know. But then they also have the really big wreaths, which are super cute. I don't have space for that, but if you did have like a super big door or super big windows, you can put those on the outside of your house, and then more outdoor decorations. They just have a variety, so you can mix and match these with decor that you get from other places. And then they have cute things for your bar cart. I don't know if you decorate your bar cart for the holiday season, but they do have cute options, and even for like, coffee flavors and cute sets. At Marshall's, I even saw that they had drink mix things. But yeah, so they have, I would do the gold, and it's a set of 4, and it's not that expensive for it. And really with that, you can use that all year. They have different color trees. The pink tree I thought was kind of cute, and then you can see the letters on the trees, like they have B, C, different things like that. I think what you do is you look for the box that has that same letter on it, and then that's the tree that you would take. So when you're looking for them, this I thought was simple and cute. I don't even know if I would add pictures to it, but I think you can add pictures and cards to it that you get. But I don't know if I would add pictures. I would just leave it as decor. Again, more wreaths, and to me, $40 for that type wreath is a good price because it's a good size and it's super cute. And then they have different style ones. They have the ones with the balls. They have little topiary type things. This one was a little bit smaller and a little bit cheaper. They have the signs. These I think are good gift sets. I don't know, you can keep them for yourself, but they're not that much. They're like $8, like an office gift or somebody you know that likes to drink coffee, tea. I think a mug is always cute. And then of course they have the Rae Dunn ones, which are super cute because they have the color in the inside that matches the handle. Cute little sayings on it all way. And then, you know, more things. These I love. If you're doing a place setting for the holiday, I think this is a good price for them. They have the smaller ones. They have different things. I didn't see the bowls, but they had the plates. This marble tray, loved it because it was cute, simple, something you can pull out every year. And I think it would go with all styles. Of course, they have the table linens. They have napkins. They have aprons. They have, you know, all the stuff, table runners. I'm not into the red that much, but then they have colors and styles for other things. Like this is something that I might do because it just has like that subtle, and then based on the place setting, whatever you're doing, it could pop and look real nice in my opinion. I don't know. And then of course I'm a fan of Disney. If you're doing, you know, baking and different things this year, just cute little things. And they have for other holidays that are this time of year too, like you're celebrating Hanukkah, things like that. I feel like, I don't remember if I didn't see it last year or what, but I don't remember seeing such a good selection of Hanukkah decor last year. This I thought was super cute. I don't know how to use this. I don't know. Do you use this on pie crust? Do you make cookies with this? Do you do I don't know what you do with that, but I thought it was super cute. And the ones that just had one design were a bit cheaper than the one with all the cute little designs in it. But you can do a variety of different things with it, I'm assuming, because it's a rolling pin. I don't know exactly what you do with it, but I thought it was cute. And then of course they have the mixing sets. I thought these Nutcracker little cake pans were so cute because it looks simple and easy. Just a little frosting and you're done. Of course they have stuff for your bathroom, different little things, and it's all inexpensive. You just need a few things if you're doing for your bathroom. You just lay out your guest towels, your toilet brush holder, your shower curtain, and that's easy to put away in the off season. But I thought those were super cute. And then of course they have so much wrapping paper, and it's all inexpensive. I feel like you get a good deal of it for cheap. You know, it's a couple dollars, and they had different styles. Only thing I would say, I wouldn't get glitter wrapping paper from them. I got glitter wrapping paper last year, did not go well. But these little yarn things I think are cute. I would just leave it out, make myself a wrapping station. But you know, they have those in different colors. They have tissue paper, they have signs, they have all the things. So even just the gifts underneath your tree or the gifts that you're giving can be super cute this year, and you can look like your gift can look like $1 million before they even open your gift, you know, with all the different things that they do have. So if you are into wrapping, get down there. I think that's one of the best places to buy your wrapping stuff from. And then for your little pets, we have a dog, and she's gonna be getting some of these gifts this Christmas because she likes stuff. Little mug for that pet mom, you know, or pet dad. Little signs, different things like that. They even have like the stockings. They have, I've seen pajamas and different things like that for the pets. So they have a lot of things for them. Bedding, a large selection. Well, not a large, but a good selection of holiday bedding and different things. They're going to be really in those holiday colors, like the reds and stuff like that. But once in a while, you'll find some in a different color other than the reds. So that's a good place to look for that. Of course, holiday signs. if you're doing those, and more trees. To me, I feel like the frosted ones, the snow looking ones, I feel like they looked fuller. I don't know if it was just that made it look fuller, or maybe they fluffed those a little more, but they were giving me a little more fullness with those. So I don't know, maybe you go fourth if you want the fuller tree. I don't know. But then these things, one of them reminded me of the backyard things. I don't know. But these are cookie jars. I think they're cookie jars. They were super cute. This I thought was cute. Again, I wish it was in a different color, but it was only $13. So, you know, they have a lot of little different decor options, more gift bags, different things like that. But they have so many different things for different styles. So no matter what, I feel like no matter what your style is, you're going to find something if you're going to Home Goods. Something cute, whimsical, fun, you know, something modern, something glam. They have the stockings. They have them in sets and they have them in individuals. I've seen the sets of 4, the sets of 2, and individuals. And to me, the sets are a real good value because they're like $20 for a set. They all, most of the time, they're all the same. They're all the same stocking. So you have to be into wanting the same exact stocking. Sometimes they have the tree collars. I didn't see any tree collars today, but they had a lot of cute little tree skirts, which were cute. And to me, again, another good price for the thickness, the quality of it. It's not like cheap. It's not like flimsy. So those are cute. And then gift ideas. Like this lantern I thought was cute because you can use it all year round. Just, you know, take the chocolate out, put a little faux candle in there, what have you and stuff. But those are cute. I like gift sets that you can use it for other things, even though the items in it are good themselves. But something cute, something different, I think is good that you can use. So that was it for Home Goods today. Let me know what you thought, and I will see you in the next one.